So I'm going to look at question 1 from the pretest for reading the weather, reading the world. And it says, summarize text 1, dangerous weather, hurricanes, and tornadoes. When summarizing, remember to write about more than one main idea. Oh, that's important. Include carefully selected details that link to the main idea. Use the text structure. Ugh. I don't really know, like box and bullets right now. I don't know. I guess there's more structures. Keep my summary brief. Okay. So I'll have to do that. Okay. More than one main idea. Okay, so let me look through this again. So it's about forecasting, okay? About predicting. That's a main idea, right? They predict them. I can talk about regions. That's another idea they talk about. I can talk about how they warn them. Okay, so I see that it's already separated for me. There's 1, 2, 3 ideas. I'm only going to write about probably the 2 more important ones. This idea about predicting and this idea about warning. Okay, so definitely going to talk about this first one, forecasting. Okay. Let me go through this. Let's see here. So I think it looks like, so one main idea in this article is that hurricanes and tornadoes are predicted in some ways that are similar and some ways that are different. And some ways that are different. Now that I have this idea about being predicted in similar and differences, I need to have details that support both of these things. Let's see. They know where and when they can happen, so that's similar, right? Because, yeah. They are similar to predict because scientists know where and when they can happen. And they are different because of the different tools, right? Okay. Because of the tools used to help make predictions for hurricanes and satellites. And for tornadoes, it's Doppler radar. Also, scientists have longer time to predict hurricanes. Okay. Now I've only talked about one main idea. If I look back at my questions, it says I should talk about more than one. So I think the other thing I'm going to talk about is that they can keep people safe with their predictions. Can now make better predictions. To keep people safe. They have technology and tools that let them know that what the weather is doing. They can now give a 5-day warning for a hurricane and an 11-minute warning for tornadoes. Tornadoes. I did go past my little half page, but that's probably because I skipped this line here. So I let it brief. I talk about two main ideas, and I connect my details back to those main ideas on grade level.